is it necessary? Abraham Lincoln said one thing: a ballot paper is more powerful than a bullet. Many people they are thinking voting day is a holy day. It is not a good symbol of democracy. If voter turnouts would be less, then what would be happen? People having money power, people having muscle power, they can elect. Because if they motivate, they have given something to the people, these voters they are going to cast vote. That's why it is our a fundamental duty to motivate our relatives, to motivate our father, mother, elder brother and sisters, neighbors to participate in voting process.
Hello everyone, I am Debadeepa.
I'm Harshita.
And I'm Mahalakshmi. As we are approaching towards the upcoming 2024 election, it is necessary to understand the significance of voting and how our vote counts. In view of that, let us have an insightful conversation. So let's begin.
निरंतर चलना है, हर कदम बढ़ाना है, प्रजातंत्र सींचना है, अधिकार छीनना है, निरंतर चलना है.
Now let us come together and take a pledge in this regard.
प्रजातंत्र सींचना है, अधिकार छीनना है.
We are enjoying the democracy of India, and children, unknowingly you do not know you are the richest stimulant for any cause or in the society, the richest stimulant of the society. With your motivation, with your efforts, we can see new representatives, better representatives, and definitely India would be enjoying the festival of democracy. So now that we all are set to motivate our neighbors, our relatives, our parents, all our elders, let us raise our hands to take the pledge for the same. I pledge to create awareness among my parents and relatives, neighborhood, to cast their votes in the ensuing general elections for participating in the largest festival of democracy. Thank you.
So let us start by talking to the future and promising voters of India.
निरंतर चलना है, हर कदम बढ़ाना है,
May I come in, sir?
प्रजातंत्र सींचना है, अधिकार छीनना है.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hello, friends. I am here to collect your opinions and ideas regarding the significance of electoral participation in an Indian democracy. As you guys are not 18 years yet, but will be in another 1 or 2 years. So obviously, you guys are ready to vote in the next election. So are you guys excited about it? Anyone? Yes?
I'm genuinely agog with excitement to be a voter and cast my precious vote in the future election. But since I'm not eligible to do that right away, according to Universal Adult Franchise, I'm keenly looking forward to turn 18 and cast my vote. And I can say you that if I were a voter presently, I would have really been the first person to visit the polling booth and press that button on the EVM and cast my vote.
Thank you. Anybody else? I'm coming to you.
एक पाँव कूद कर देश को संवारना.
Well, I totally agree with what Sahil said, and I'm also definitely excited to vote in the upcoming years when I'm actually eligible. Also, as an asset of the country, we are entitled to make a good decision for our better future. Even my friends are really excited for this opportunity, and we hope we make a good decision.
Thank you. Sir, as a political science teacher, what is your opinion about this?
Every modern democracy is a representative democracy. It means people elect their representatives to the legislature through mechanism called election. This actualizes the very essence of democracy, that is rule of people. And by casting our votes in the election or through electoral participation, we make democracy really successful, because Every democratic government is accountable government. It's a transparent government. It's a legitimate government, and it is also a responsive government. Indian constitution is given political equality to everybody. Then why not to exercise it? Voting is not our right, it is our obligation also. So let us go to election, let us cast our vote, and India being a multi-party democracy, we have the right to choose or change the government. By doing so, we can clearly draw a margin between a true or real democracy and a pretending democracy. I give the message to every student here that yes, if they are not 18 years old, they may not be able to vote, but you have the responsibility to motivate your parents and ensure that they definitely go to the polling booths and cast their votes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Let's come and talk to our junior friends and take the views.
एक नागरिक एक ही वोट आओ ना जागो ना सब जागो ना जागो
Excuse me, ma'am.
सब जागो
Hello, everyone. So you must be aware of the fact that India is one of the most successful democracies, and election is the heart and soul of democracy. So though you are not an eligible voter, what are your responsibilities in the upcoming 2024 elections?
As we are not eligible for casting our vote, but we can help in other ways, like encouraging and telling our parents and other elders to cast their votes.
Thank you. Any other responses?
I'd like to add another point that not only to our family members, but we should also encourage our neighbors, our relatives, or our brothers and sisters who are above 18 years old to vote for the party which they support.
Now let us take a view of our students who are writing letters to their parents to motivate them to participate in the largest festival of democracy.
जन जन का ये त्योहार मिलकर मनाना है, EVM से अपना भविष्य सजाना है। जन जन का ये त्योहार मिलकर मनाना है, EVM से अपना भविष्य सजाना है। उठाओ नयो हाथ लाई, वोट लाओ न लाई, जगाओ नयो जागृति, नारी समाज लाई। उठाओ नयो हाथ लाई, वोट लाओ न लाई।
Hello, I can see you are writing a letter. What is the purpose?
Yeah, actually, as we're celebrating the upcoming festival of democracy, which is elections, I'm writing a letter to my dearest uncle to motivate him to vote for the government of his choice, because one single vote can change the entire future of the country.
Thank you so much.
जागो ना सब जागो ना
Now it's time to meet our esteemed principal madam for her message on the significance of vote casting. So let's get in.
जागो ना सब जागो ना
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, as you are quite aware that the print media and electronic media has started a campaign to motivate people to participate in this voting exercise in large numbers. And we can find that the youth who are going to vote for the first time are the most excited ones. In this context, what will be your message to the students and the society at large?
Thank you for asking this very pertinent question. I would urge upon every citizen to cast their vote, because we are in a democratic country and each one of us has the right to select the leaders. If we want to live in a corruption-free society, so let us do our own little bit of responsibilities by casting a vote. And those who have crossed above 18 years, please do not forget that it's a golden opportunity for you to choose your own leader the way you want. So please cast your vote, and through my student, I would appeal all of them to request the parents, the brothers and sisters, the grandparents, those who are staying in the home and who are above 18 years, please force them, compel them to go outside and exercise the vote.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable time and message. Have a good day. So this was the message from our end. I hope you understood the significance of vote casting and you'll surely cast your votes. I am Debadipa of DV Public School Chandrasekharpur signing off. Thank you.